We think we saw Team 10 or Jake Paul's van rear end another car. We're gonna go check it out. He's still in standstill traffic. No one's moving really, so I think something did happen. We'll see in about like 5 minutes. It's right up there. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. Was I right or was I not right? All right, there's the police. Yep. There's the police right there. Let's see what we got. Oh, the Model X is probably part of the crew or something. That's why he was like, oh, look at the axle. It's fucked up. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
It's pretty serious. Look. Yup, that was definitely them, dude. No kidding. Dude, that van is fucked.
Yep.
Oh, man. What are the chances of that? We were actually headed towards a meet in, where's this meet at?
West Covina.
Base Tuesdays in West Covina, and we're on the opposite, we're on the south side, and we saw the van get in an accident, so of course I had a U-turn to check it out, so. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that axle is ruined, son. Haven't even gone to the meet, and there are cops everywhere. Oh, zooming in. What was those lights up
That was
front?
cop.
Cop?
Yeah.
What the hell, man?